Okay. So you're on the icy water, eh? And what are you getting?
A shark. I'm trying to defeat the bigger shark.
I see. So is this the Arctic Ocean?
Yep.
Wow. That's a small boat for the Arctic Ocean. You're pretty brave.
Yeah, and Orphan could just swallow me
Uh-huh.
any second.
You don't have any oars or anything. Using your bare hands in the ocean. Ooh, it's cold.
Don't worry, I have some gloves.
So what kind of gun do you have there?
A harpoon gun.
Harpoon gun, and what's that other thing you've got there?
It's a hook for any items I see.
Okay,
I see a barrel.
cool. So say hi and bye to Facebook land,
Bye
and
and bye, and also subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell.
all right then.